is a nice big pike, 36 incher, sweet fish on the yellow spinner bait, again on the weed edge. Super thick, healthy northern pike. Let's get a quick release on her. That is one beast mama of a northern pike, and she will produce big babies in the future. Look at that thing. That thing just ambushed that spinner out of nowhere, right in the weeds. Must have been hiding. These guys are apex predators and will strike and ambush on anything that moves near that weed edge. Girthy fish, super healthy. What a giant 36-inch northern pike. There she goes. Sweet. Alright guys, we just caught this nice 34-inch pike. Beautiful, healthy fish. And we just missed a nice 38-incher or so, right by the boat doing a figure 8. Let's release this stud. Awesome northern pike, guys. Let's get the release on her. She's got a blind eye. What a beautiful, stunning fish, guys. There she goes. What a beast. Alright guys, another nice pike, healthy fish, super thick. Got him hooked by the eye, but he should be fine. Let's get a release on her. A lot of energy by this fish. First time saw it just come following my spinner bait. Tossed it again and boom, he smoked it. Healthy fish though, super thick. What a gorgeous looking, stunning northern pike. There she goes. Whoa, whoa. Oh, duże tak. Tak. O, nie wiem, duży. $40. Wow, tata, 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 poczekaj stamtąd. 40. Oj. Mówiłem ci, że w tym są duże. Tak, bo wejdzie pod kajak i 4 szynki. Duży, co? Ale nie 40 inch. No 30 coś, 36, 7. No to bierz na twój. Ale ten podbierak muszę zmienić. Ale duży byk. On będzie miał 38. No. healthy northern pike. He came twice to strike it. Super thick. Here's the fish. That's gonna be a monster in the future. Aggressive little feller. There she goes. Trochę. Szybko efekty. Yeah. First cast, guys. Daj podbierak. Niezły. To. Alright, let's get the release on her. Beautiful green monster. Off she goes. Alright guys, nice little healthy snot rocket on the spinnerbait. Healthy back. Nice healthy little pike. Nice little battle. Let's release him. 6 fish. So he's been feeding good. There he goes. Mały, ale mały. Malutki jak nie wiem. Najmniejszy chyba z wszystkich dzisiaj. Another nice beautiful pike on spinner. Nothing big so far. Having a blast out here. Let's release him. There she goes. Huge monster. Może. Większy niż te mniejsze. Zeszedł. Ale był większy. Did it come off? It came off. Nice little smallmouth, beautiful fish. Nice little fighter. Let's release this little guy. Off he goes. That's a nice bullhead. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. This is a nice big bullhead. On the bluegill under the bobber, we're targeting bass, but the bass bite has been slow. Awesome little critter. What a beast. Super thin though, so let's get him back in the water.